We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. And the stock had pushed higher today, right? But quickly pulled back down. Now, I don't think it's just DWAC. The overall market pulled down as well. The SPY fell, and we need to watch this carefully, how that could affect DWAC as well in the next few days. But before we jump into everything, what the data is showing and what DWAC is presenting us based off the charts, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 5 to 10%, 10 to 15%. But the highest one was DATS. And we caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards. It was under a bear indicator. And if it started to reverse with strength, it was looking like an opportunity when I mentioned it. It was at 334, sat sideways towards the bell, got that bull indicator, full strength through the volatility to a highest point of 25% plus, came back down, gave small jumps of 5 to 15%, and also reached another 15 to 20% jump in a matter of minutes towards the middle and the end of the day, guys. Presenting two opportunities of highest points of 25% plus. If you want to get on early with us every single day, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day, and we look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. Here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. And as I stated earlier in the video, it has actually slightly pulled downwards towards the end of the day, but it wasn't the only thing pulling down. The S&P 500 index was also pulling down, and many other stocks in the stock market overall. It wasn't just DWAC. So if you really look at it, it's holding up pretty well. And I stated in yesterday's video, we could see this end up consolidating and preparing itself as it sets up for the next bull run if it holds up above key levels. And that was down here at around $77. The lowest that it went was $77.31, came back up, and you could see that shift in strength here on 42 vision from red to dark green with green, hit a peak here of $87. And that's what we're going to break down in today's video, what that means and what it shows based off yesterday, and what are we going into tomorrow and next week, right? For DWAC, because there's some catalysts coming up. Now, let me pull up Ultimate 42 Vision. By the way, you can now gain access to the bull and bear indicators as well, and the 42 Vision bars that shift from red to green, and as well as white to green when it's in extreme weakness, and shifts back down from green to red with white with red borders, guys. Check it out to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, and you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the premium indicators to receive the clarity and maximize on opportunities no matter what volatility is in the market. So DWAC has a bull indicator. Now, even though it has this bull indicator, what I'm watching carefully is, does it get negated very fast by another bear indicator? Because even though this bear indicator is now negated by this bull indicator, and there was strength here, things kind of came right back down to where that bull indicator started. So the question is it going to bounce off of this level, create a double bottom kind of effect, like goes up, comes down, and goes back up to go with strength and hold true this bull indicator? Or is it going to break through these levels, go back to retest the support of $77, and possibly get a bear indicator here on the 30 minute. Super important. Now, we're also going to look at the 4 hour because as I stated yesterday, it's going to give us a hint of, is this going into further weakness or is it going to reverse? So let's pull up the 4-hour here and look at it together. So the 4-hour has done a huge shift, but things are still showing weakness, but it's in a consolidation period, right? So here we have it. Bull indicator since way down here on the 6 at $48. Full strength on 42 vision. Hit a high here of about 93. Came back down. We needed to see this red shift into green. It did that. Went from green with red borders to green with green borders. And now we're back to green with red borders. So if this does not shift back to dark green or red, there is some real strength here regardless of this volatility. And that's what 42 vision allows one to see. Where the weakness lies, where the rips are, where the dips are within the weakness and strength. So super important to realize that. And this has been under a bull indicator since way down here on the 6 at $48. And through all the volatility, no bear indicator has popped up for the 4-hour, signifying strength. And also no negation of this bull indicator. Once a bear indicator pops up, it will negate this bull indicator, and now we're going into some form of bearishness. Sometimes it lasts longer, sometimes it doesn't, but it will give us some insight. And that's what I'm watching carefully. We have not done that shift, and we got away from red bars here. That is a strong sign, guys, because the last time that happened, it shifted quickly back into green, but the only thing that's different here is that it's going back and forth. Last time it shifted, it continued its path for several days back to back, and that's what we're looking for here. We want this path to continue for several days back to back. Now back to the 30-minute, the first thing I want us to be aware of is our support, $77. If that gets broken through, I would watch carefully all the way back down here to $70. I would just round that up instead of 69, see what's going on within that area, and if it gets broken through, this could go into further weakness, and if a bear indicator pops up, could signify pure weakness in the charts. Now, if we stay away from those levels, this bull indicator holds up strong tomorrow and the rest of next week, well, we could be in for a possible reversal here and continuation of strength, even though things have consolidated. And I stated earlier, there's a catalyst coming up, and that's this weekend's rally. I think it's this weekend or next weekend. Anybody that wants to go ahead and confirm that, you're more than welcome to share that down below, because those rallies have an impact. We saw what it did this week. I'm sure it can continue to make an impact moving forward. Now, it broke through the resistance level here of 85, and it created a new one up here at 87. Both of those need to be broken through and turn into a support and not have this effect right after, okay? We can't just see it, touch it, and come back down. No, it needs to go up to these levels, right, and stay up here. Instead of consolidating down here, right, we need to see it consolidate up here and then do the next leg up to the upside to get closer to the highs here of 93 and work its way up towards 100, which I know a lot of people are anticipating. If that happens, the stock, DWAC stock, DWAC, could have some strength even further beyond the strength that we've seen and try to push up towards 120. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.